What up mga subscribers, no? So ngayon guys, ang papanoorin po natin ng mga updates po ng ating mahalima po. Ay papanoorin po natin ay kay I'm Pop Price, no? Let's go, no? Tulad yan si I'm Pop Price, isa sa pinapanooran ko talaga na channel pag halimbawa gusto ko makahingi ng updates po sa ating mahalima, no? So shoutout kay I'm Pop Price. Kung gusto nyo makapanood mga ganyan solid contents, panoorin nyo po sa I'm Pop Price, no? And yun, lagay ko na yung link sa description guys, no? And subscribe kayo dyan. Let's go. So yun lang guys, without further ado, let's all watch this.
Successfully concluded the second leg of their Pugta Tag World Tour held in Japan.
Tapos na yung ano.
As early as 7 in the morning, the group's fans known as 18 flooded the concert venue. Despite the scorching weather, their unwavering support for the group.
Sa mga taga-Japan dyan guys, mainit din ba sa Japan? Even though alam natin mas malamig ang climate sa Japan, no? Mainit din ba sa Japan as in? Makakompare mo siya sa Pinas na umaabot ng 50 degrees talaga, no? So ayun guys, na mainit din ba dyan, no? Ano lang, curious na ako as in.
Evident. The Japanese hip-hop boy group Def Class also showed up at the venue to show support for the P-pop.
Okay, Def Class pala
They
sila.
even danced to Gento while waiting outside the venue. Although they didn't get to watch the actual concert, their presence at the venue brought joy to the fans. And like their concert in Dubai, the event kicked off with a photo op and sound check. The fans' hearts were touched when the group came down to take a picture with a fan in a wheelchair.
Ako guys, ito, ganyan ko. Ako guys, mas solid sana kung nanood yung ano, no, yung pumunta ron na famous hip hop group na yung J-pop boy band na yun. No? Para sa akin mas solid. Pero syempre, the fact na andun sila, yung presence sila, na makikita mo sinusuportahan nila ating mahalima, no? Napaka-solid naman guys. Pero para sa akin mas solid siguro mas manonood sila para mas ano, no? Para mas ma-feel na makita nila in person kung paano perform ang ating mahalima.
Fans' hearts were touched when the group came down to take a picture with a fan in a wheelchair who came all the way from Hawaii.
Oh, all the way from Hawaii. Grabe.
Wag po nating puntahan, please. Yes, ang bongga, oh. Ayan ang gusto kong fans. Grabe. Pablo! Justin! Yes, ayan. Magpipicture lang po tayo kay Mami. She flew all the way from Hawaii.
Wow. The effort itself guys, grabe. Guys, tandaan nyo, hindi po basta-basta ang Hawaii guys, no? As in, or Hawaii, no? Hindi basta-basta guys, basta Hawaii ang pagkakapronounce na iba eh. Hindi basta-basta yan, napakalayo po niyan guys, as in, tapos it is such a small island talaga as in, no? Para makapunta ka sa ano, yung, I think, ano eh, talagang grabe, yung effort pa lang na yun, grabe, nakakatuwa, as in, nakakataba ng puso.
Yes, ayan. Magpipicture lang po tayo kay Mami. She flew all the way from Hawaii.
There was also a fan who came from China. According to the photo shared online, these two fans flew all the way from China just to see and watch SB19.
Wow.
Truly, the love of their fans for the group cannot be denied, whether young or old. Their support for the group remains steadfast no matter where in the world they are. Due to the overwhelming support the group received, SB19 Stel couldn't help but be emotional and almost shed tears while performing.
Naging emotional si Stel, no?
More moments happened during the concert that will surely become part of the memories of their fans and of SB19 as well.
Sumakay si Bob.
I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want
Ang ginagawa mo, sabi ng isang fan. Si Pablo talaga gusto nila. Si Ken din eh, nakasulsul pa eh.
Addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you.
And as always, thanks for watching.
Let's go, ating maliman. So ito, may titignan pa tayo isang video guys, no? Syempre, kayang pa-price ulit ito guys.
International music
Napakasolid, no? So, asan na yan? Let's go!
producers Terry Zhang and Ian Asher can't hold back their excitement for the release of their collaborative song with SB19, Moonlight, on May 3rd. The two even commented that they are truly excited to share the new song with the world. SB19 has already given a glimpse of the dance steps, which surely delighted fans because of its unique dance moves.
Ito naman yung mga fans, no? Yung ibang 18 talaga, hindi makapaniwala. Dahil pa rin nagtatanong, ito ba talaga choreography niyan?
And it seems that this has also been liked by some fans from other countries. Meanwhile, Terry Zhang, filled with excitement for Moonlight, shared a sneak peek of the acoustic version of the song on his social media account. The acoustic version of the song was well received by fans. One fan commented that they hope a full version will be released to aid in their sleeping routine.
Parang siyang vibe ng Versace on the Floor. Hindi ko sinasabing katunog ha, pero yung tunog ng piano, parang gano'n yung sa Versace on the Floor, no? Yung sa umpisa, yung sa music video guys ha, mismo.
SB19 made a new record in Japan. Following their successful Pugtatag concert in the country, Roslyn Pineda, head of Sony Music Philippines, shared that SB19, the P-Pop Kings, is the first Filipino artist to have a solo ticketed concert in Japan in the last 10 years. She added, "You are so changing the game and paving the way for other Filipino artists," claiming this is the first of many SB19 concerts in the land of the rising sun. And that's all for this video. As always, thanks for watching and please subscribe to this channel if you want more updates about SB19 and other P-pop topics.
Grabe yung achievement guys, no? Sila pala yung pinakaunang concerts nung last pa yung 10 years ago pa guys. Pero alam mo yun, sila yung pinaka-una tapos pinaka-recent lang tapos puno agad guys, no? Wow. Sunod ng ating mahalima, no? So dito makikita guys yung suporta po talaga ng even though na kahit ibang lahi guys. So doon ako natutuwa kahit ibang lahi guys na suportahan na. Pero alam niyo naman na mostly talaga dyan is yung mga talaga nakilala sa mga kababayan nating kababayan ng SB19. As in kababayan natin guys, yung mga Pinoy po talaga. Pero I'm pretty sure guys, napakarami din pong ibang lahi na nood dyan. As in, hindi lang po mga Pinoy guys, no? Kasi grabe na po talaga kasikatan nating mahalima. I think darating din sa point guys na hindi na imposible na kahit mag-perform sa ibang bansa or mag-concert ang mahalima sa ibang bansa like sa Dome, no? Yung mga ganun na, mga arena na talaga, mapupuno talaga na yan guys. Kaya nila yan. I'm pretty sure guys, soon, very soon, kaya nila yan, no? So ngayon kasi is medyo alam kong ano man nila, parang medyo parang nag-hold back pa sila, no? Hindi ko nasabihin pero I think nag-hold back pa sila. I mean, hindi ko alam kung anong pinaka-meaning pero I think nag-hold back pa sila, no? Siguro dahil gusto muna nila magsimula sa ganun bago sila mag-perform sa Dome na sa malakihan na ganun. Pero I'm sure guys kaya nilang punuin yan I'm sure. So and guys, no, kindly like, comment, share, subscribe to DC Point of Standing on. Peace, let's G.